Hello. Have you ever thought about whether your job will still be around in a few years? Or maybe a robot is quietly taking your place? Artificial intelligence isn't just in sci-fi movies anymore. Today, we're going to take a look at 10 jobs that, by 2030, will either completely disappear or won't exist in the same form anymore. Ready? Let's go! Job first, translators and typists. Translating used to be a critical skill, but now, all you need is Google Translate or DeepL, and a fairly accurate translation is done in seconds. While human translators are still needed for specialized tasks, for general text, AI is already replacing people in this role. Job second, basic graphic designers. If you're into graphic design and your work involves basic logos, posters, or promotional images, watch out. AI tools like DALL-E and Midjourney can generate images in seconds. What used to take a graphic designer hours now takes a few clicks. It's fast and efficient. Job third, content writers, writing blog posts, captions, or even books. ChatGPT and other AI tools can write content quickly, efficiently, and without breaks. Writers aren't going anywhere, but if you're in the content creation business, you better learn how to work with AI, not against it. Job fourth, customer support representatives. Customer support jobs? They're on the line. Many companies are now using AI chatbots for customer inquiries, meaning no waiting on hold, no salaries, and no days off. The future of customer service is automation. Job fifth, financial analysts. Financial analysts used to spend hours poring over data to make predictions. Now, AI can quickly process data, spot trends, and predict market shifts faster than any human. The future of financial analysis? It's AI-powered. Job 6, drivers, taxis, trucks, truck drivers, taxi drivers. Your job might be on the line. Self-driving cars and trucks are real, and companies like Tesla, Google, and Amazon are investing heavily in autonomous vehicles. The road ahead? It's driven by AI. Job 7, office clerks and data entry workers. Filing papers, sending emails, updating spreadsheets. These repetitive tasks are being automated by AI. Faster, cheaper, and error-free, AI is replacing traditional office work. Job 8, editors and proofreaders. Used to be that editors and proofreaders were the go-to for polishing text. But now tools like Grammarly and WordTune are fixing grammar, punctuation, and style in real time. For simple editing, AI is taking over the job. Job 9, virtual fashion models. Fashion models? Even they are at risk. Some brands are using digital models for their marketing. Perfect, always available, no need for photo shoots or traveling. Just lines of code creating beautiful, flawless models. Job 10, video editors, basic tasks. Cutting videos, adding music and subtitles. AI tools like CapCut and Runway can do all of that in seconds. What used to take hours of tedious editing now happens in a fraction of the time. So, will AI take your job? Maybe, but here's the truth. It won't replace you. Someone using AI will. Learn how to use it, embrace it, master it. The future belongs to those who adapt.